What's up, Squeegee Slingers? Today we're gonna give all of this stuff to you. A big thank you to Unger.
Thanks very much, Trad Boy. Should we call him Trad Boy? Trad Boy?
Trad Boy.
Trad Boy. So yes, indeed, he's going to be demonstrating and showing the squeegee applicator. So if you hold them up nice and high so they can see them. There we go. So yes, indeed, thank you very much to Unger for this opportunity to give away the Black Edition series to possibly you watching. Now, what do you have to do to win these tools? Well, down below, there's a clickable link. So you have to be subscribed. You have to leave a comment and like the video. Those are the 3 things that you'll have to do to be entered into the competition. So click on the link down below and that will take you through to a bit of software that will basically pick the winner for me. Okay, so this isn't going to be done by myself. This is going to be done by this company that can do it for me online, and that way everything is nice and fair and square. In 1 week's time, we'll reveal the winner and we'll let you know who that is. And if you stay tuned on the YouTube channel, I'll let you know via YouTube, but also I'll let you know via the Tradman Facebook page. We'll announce the winner on there and I'll ask you to get in touch. So if you do win, you'll need to remember to watch the winner video to find out if it was you watching, because if the person who wins it doesn't reply, it's going to go to the next person in line. Okay, we'll have to run it again. So make sure you watch the winner video in 1 week's time after this video goes live, and you possibly could be a winner of the Unger Black Series Edition. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, much appreciated, and a big thank you once again to Unger for providing this so we could run this little giveaway. And a big thank you to Trad Boy.
Hello!
Yeah, what are you going to be when you grow up? Are you going to be a window cleaner? Or are you going to be a doctor? Or what are you going to do?
A policeman.
A policeman?
So I can arrest you. Yeah.
So you can arrest me. Brilliant. Okay guys, thank you very much for tuning in, much appreciated. Remember to click the link directly below and under the video, and I'll see you next time. Take care, be good, and...
Trad Boy, you will see Trad Boy tomorrow.
Trad Boy tomorrow?
Yes.
What are you doing tomorrow, like? He's taking over my YouTube channel. Are you?
We're gonna do it every day.
Every day? That's a lot of work. Are you sure? Yes. You're going to do the Trad Man and the Trad Boy show. Sound good? Mm-hmm. Fist bump it.
Boom.
Boom.
Bye.
Bye.